Hi, my name is Mary and I'm a city girl. I love living in a city. How about you? Do you prefer the city or a village? Let's compare the two. Air in a village is clean. In the city, it can be dirty. The air in the village is cleaner than in the city. Life in the city is expensive. In the village, it's cheap. So life in the city is more expensive than in the village. Shops in the city are big. In a village, they are small. The shops in the city are bigger. How about roads? In the city, the roads are busy. In the village, they are calm. The roads in the city are busier. What about buildings? In the city, they are modern. In the village, they are traditional. The buildings in the city are more modern. How about nightlife? In the city, the nightlife is exciting. In a village, it's calm. The nightlife in the city is more exciting. So, which one is better? Can you compare them yourself? Pause the video and see what you remember. Well done. What did you say? Is the city more exciting? Is the village cleaner? Did you make up your mind? Let's look at comparative adjectives. How do we make comparative adjectives? The short adjectives are quite easy. You add er, for example, clean, cleaner. However, mind your spelling. If the adjective ends in e, you just add the r. For example, nice, nicer. If the adjective ends in a consonant and y, you change the y to an I and add er. For example, busy, busier. If the adjective ends consonant, vowel, consonant, make sure you double the last consonant. For example, big, bigger. Perfect. How about longer adjectives? It's a bit easier with them. You just add more at the beginning of the adjective. For example, expensive, more expensive. Exciting, more exciting. And don't forget the irregular adjectives that you have to memorize, like good, better, or bad, worse. Now let's look at the test question. Which answer is correct? Is London, New York? Do you know the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Is London safer than New York? Who knows? Maybe you can research this question and find out. I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.